Why do 100% of pagers in Lebanon go boom? Stick around to find out. In the 90s, pagers were all the rage. But in Lebanon, they had a bit of a twist. Picture this, you're waiting for a beep and boom, an unexpected blast. What gives? Turns out not everyone was a fan of those beep-beep gadgets. Some mischievous minds decided to rig them with explosives. Yes, you heard me right, explosives. Pranking gone way too far. Authorities were baffled. How do you stop a pager from blowing up? Answer, you can't really, but you can ban them. And that's exactly what happened. So what's the takeaway? Next time your phone vibrates, be grateful it's just a text, not TNT. Stay safe, stay curious, and always appreciate the little things like, non-explosive gadgets. Catch you in the next short. Subscribe for more mind-blowing stories.